Managing deleted groups in Microsoft 365 Admin Center can feel daunting, but with clear steps, you'll streamline your workflow and ensure no critical data is lost. Have you ever wondered what happens when a group is deleted? Or how to recover one if needed? Let's walk through the process together. First, locate the deleted groups. In Microsoft 365 Admin Center, navigate to the Groups section and select Deleted. Here, you'll find a list of groups that have been removed in the past 30 days. Each entry includes its name, deletion date, and type, giving you essential context right from the start. Now let's focus on restoring a group. Choose the group you wish to bring back. Click Restore. The system automatically reinstates the group, along with its settings, members, and resources. No manual reconfiguration required. If restoration isn't possible, the group may be permanently deleted or outside the retention window. Always review the group details before restoring to avoid unnecessary clutter or confusion. Finally, for groups you know should never return, select the group and click Permanently Delete. This action removes all associated data without chance for recovery, so double-check your choice to prevent accidental loss. Regularly monitoring deleted groups empowers you to maintain order, reduce errors, and ensure your environment stays secure. By mastering these steps, you'll handle group deletions with confidence and keep your Microsoft 365 workspace running smoothly.